Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick Maniology haul. I just want to start off by thanking everybody who has used my Maniology code to make a purchase. Because of all of you, I have gone from the pink tier to the turquoise tier, and I couldn't thank you enough. It means so much to me. It's just so exciting. So for the turquoise tier, I received a few gifts. And one of the gifts was this plate, Maniology M640. And it's just different designs, abstract designs, I guess you could call them, but really, really cute plate. And I received this set of stickers. So I want to make sure you could see them, put them on the white background. Kind of celestial a little bit of Halloween, but very cute. Definitely my vibe, that's for sure. And then they also sent me an ice cube stamper and a scraper, which it was over here. Oh, here it is. And a scraper. So that's what you got with the turquoise tier. So again, thank you all so much, and a special shout out to Phyllis Phalanges. She let me know she used my code. I will leave her link in my description so you could follow her. And if you've used my code and you want to let me know, I would definitely like to give you a shout out as well. So I did buy some plates this month. Maniology is having a sale, so I thought I would jump on the bandwagon and get some really cute plates. So the first plate I got was M392. And this is a Halloween plate, really, really cute. And I like it because it has all the different sayings inside, sayings on the plate, like dead inside, just winging it, too cute to spook, really cute plate. And then the next plate I got was M411, and this is more like a carnival circus type theme plate. You know, it's got the popcorn, and it looks like, you know, a candied apple or poisonous candied apple. And then it's got some ice cream on it with faces. So this one was, I just thought was a really cute plate. And then the next plate I got was MXM136. This is a bunch of ghosts. Kind of goes with I believe it was the September box. Kind of goes with that theme. But I think this might have been last year's, I'm not sure. But very cute plate. And then with the monthly box, because I'm a new subscriber, they again sent me the ice cube stamper and another scraper. But I didn't want to open that one yet, so that's still in the packaging. So this month's plates, or November's plates, no, I'm sorry, October's plates are MXM162. And we have a gourd, we have some leaves and some vines, some pumpkins. These look like berries, acorns. It's really pretty, really, really pretty plate. And then the next plate is this one. And this one's a nice double stamping plate. So this is fun. Again, we have some pumpkins, and these look like grapes, probably. And leaves. So really, really nice. Really fun fall vibe plate. And with that also comes the free gift is a set of stickers. And these gold stickers, really pretty. I really love these designs on them. Really nice. And of course, they always come with cards to show you a design you could create with the stamping plates, and a step-by-step guide to show you how to create that look. And then a card that describes all the plate, the Baroque inspired plate, and scroll and season. And that's it. So that is my small Maniology haul. And again, I want to thank you all so much for using my code. I really appreciate it. It just brightens my day when I see somebody using my code and getting a discount. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And always check my description because I do always have a bunch of discount codes for all of you to use. And I don't necessarily get anything from them, but you guys will definitely get a discount. So again, thank you very much and have a wonderful day.